how juicy this hair is. Very juicy, and in fact, I really love this.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. In today's video, I'm going to be applying this famous coily cream I got from TikTok shop. So it's called is it Bsset or by Bsset Coily Cream. So I'm going to use this on my hair, the type 4 hair. So I don't know if it's 4C or 4B. No, it can't be 4B because it's going to be more coily than this, but yeah. But whenever I wet my hair, I think I got a different coiling pattern. But anyway, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair in smaller bits. My hair is really dry, so I can't get this done. So I'm spraying, this is water in this container, so just water, I didn't mix it with anything. So I'm just going to start with that and start to be able to separate my hair gently. Yep. So I'm going to put this one up. So we're starting from the back. So according to the cream, we are meant to keep the hair damp and apply coin size amount of cream in your palm and adjusting it to the hair length or thickness. If your hair is thick, if it's not enough you add more. So you don't need to rinse. You allow it to air dry, or you use diffuser to add more volume to it. So for extra coil definition, and we'll just use Bsset styling coil gel. I don't have the coil gel, I just have this. So I want to just apply the coiling cream. It says here that it's suited for coily hair and it defines coil and reduces freezes. So let's get right into this. I'm trying to get my hair down. Now that my hair is fully damp, so I'm going to apply this cream in my hair. So as you can see guys, the coils are already forming, so I have to start doing the rest of the hair. So guys, you know what, this hair I'm going to, I think each section I do, once I apply this cream, I'm going to twist it and then we'll see how the results will be. Okay, then after twisting everything, I'm going to come back and then I'm going to come back and separate the coil, unravel the twist, and then see how defined the coils will be. Because normally this is what I do if I'm applying the coiling cream. So what I do first is apply the cream, comb it through and twist it. So it's going to give me the coils I'm looking for. So I won't have to be thinking that the coils will not work out. So I better be sure I'm going to be having some coils at the end of the day. So guys, I'm going to blow dry my hair on a low heat using my blow dryer. Now that it's done, I'm going to apply some hair growth oil, my homemade hair growth oil, in my scalp and massage it in. So guys, let's unravel this twist. Guys, the best way to achieve your curls is when you apply the curling cream on each section, comb it through and then twist it. It's going to give you a perfect curls. Just look at that. Look at how juicy this hair is. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Guys, look at those curls. Look at bouncy. I don't want that to get into my eyes. Oh my goodness, I love this. So let's fluff out this hair using this picking comb. My edges. So guys, what do you think? Let me turn my back. So it is a 10 out of 10 for me. Tell me what you think about this Bsset Coily Cream in the comment section. Are you going to try this, or because look at that, just look at how juicy this hair is. Very juicy, and in fact I really love this. So guys, tell me what to think about this in the comment section and let me know what you would want me to try again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so at any time I post a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you so much once again for watching. Bye.